question said we should calculate the percentage by mass of sodium in sodium thiazocarbonate 4 decahydrate, and this is it, Na2CO3 times 10H2O. Right, so let me just read the line to help us reline. Just reline here. This. Alright, this is better. Right, so the solution to this problem. So we should calculate the percentage by mass of sodium, right? Of sodium in sodium thiazocarbonate for the decahydrate. First of all, let's get the molar mass of the compound, right? Let's get the molar mass of the compound. The compound there is Na2CO3 times 10H2O. So how do we break that down? It's going to be Na2 plus C plus O3 plus 10 times what? H2 plus O. That's how we're going to break it down. So if you do that, just trying to show you what we're doing. I'm just going to be adding all of this up. So let's do that. I'm trying to make you understand how we're solving that. So we have 23, which is our sodium, times 2, because sodium is coming out twice. Yeah. Plus the carbon, which is what? Carbon is 12, plus oxygen, which is what? 16 times 3. Yeah. That's plus what? Plus 10 of bracket 1 times 2. That's for the hydrogen, plus 16. Right, good to go. So if we do that, we're going to have 46 plus 12 plus 48 plus 10 of 2 plus 16. Right, so that will be 46 plus 12 plus 48 plus 10 bracket what? 18. Finally that gives us what? 46 plus 12 plus 48 plus 10 times 8, that's 180. Right, beautiful. So if we add all of this, we're going to have 286 grams. Right, that's for the molar mass. Right, so the question says calculate the percentage by mass of sodium. So for sodium, it's very simple. It's just going to be the Na2 sodium over the total compound. Sodium over the total compound, which is what? Na2CO3 times what? 10H2O times 100 over 1. That's for sodium. That's how we do it. So we do that for now. We're going to have for sodium, we're going to have 4. That's 23 times 2. That should be what? 46. 46 over 286 times 100 over 1. And so if you do that for sodium, the final answer, the percentage of sodium in that will be 16.08%. Sodium has 16.08% in the game. So this is the guy for sodium, the percent of sodium in the whole of everything. Alright, that's sodium's share. So my question now is, what if they ask us to find the other gases? What if they ask us to find the other compound, the other atoms? Right, how do we get the rest? We've got a percentage by that. Let's get the percentage of oxygen. What if they ask us to find percentage by mass of oxygen? It will be the mass of the oxygen in the CO2, right? So percentage of oxygen is going to be O3, right? Because it's the one here, the mass, the much mass here. That's what we're looking at. Over what? Over the total. That's Na2CO3 times what? 10H2O times 100 over 1. So for the oxygen, percentage of oxygen, if we do that, what are we going to get? For oxygen is going to be 48 over 286 times 100 over 1. 4,800 over 286. If we divide that, what are we going to get? We're going to have 16.78. 16, let's use here. Oxygen is going to be 16.78%. Are you seeing it now? That's for that. What if they ask us to get the percentage by mass of the crystal, or the water of crystallization? What water crystallization there is 10H2O, so that's the one containing water, 10H2O. So percentage of water of crystallization, yeah, that should be the 10H2O there, right? So how are we going to do that? So we're going to be the 10H2O, which is 180, right? That's what we did now. So 180, because when we did that here, that's it here. Look at it here. It's 10H2O here, 10 times everything here. Just like saying 10H2O is 10 times what? 2 plus 16. H2 here, that's 2 plus the oxygen, which is 16. That gives us 10 plus what? 10 times 18, which is 180. Right? So over what? 268. Right? Or if you want to break it down, for those that really want me to break it down, I can break it down some more for you to understand. So for the water of crystallization, let me just wipe this one off. Water of crystallization, it's just going to be 10H2O over Na2CO3 10H2O times 100 over 1, right? So if you push it further, it will be 180 over 286 times 100 over 1. If we do that, I believe we're going to have 18123. That's 18,000 over 286, right? If we do that, percentage of that, what we're going to get is going to be 62.94%. Yep, that's for that. You see now how we got all the compounds correct. So if we add them now, you now try it now, and believe it with your calculator, add this percent, add this guy, water of crystallization, add the one for the oxygen, and then add the one for this guy, for the sodium. If you add all of them, you see that everything will combine to give us 100, right? 16.08 plus 16.78 plus 62.94, it gives us 99 point something, which is the 100. See how easy it is. So I'll leave you with this question. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, and then share the video with others to see. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.